Alright, on YOUCANICs, we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander, and we're going to go ahead and replace the fog light, right? And so to replace this fog light, what we need is a flat blade screwdriver or a plastic remover tool. But anyway, we would just use a screwdriver, go ahead and use a piece of cloth on it, and just kind of easily, gently pry around the whole light thing and continue to pull out this cover. See, we've removed this whole cover. Then you want to take out 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, to be able to remove this light. Note to not touch this one because that is the height adjustment, and we don't want to mess with where the beam of the light goes. So we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws. So we've removed the 3 screws, and then back here we want to undo this connector, which is as simple as you push it closed a little bit, and then push the back, this clip here, just push it down, and that'll release the tab. And now we've removed the light, and then you would just twist it to the left, twist your light, and again, we do not want to touch the bulb itself when we put a new one in, because the oils on your hands will damage the light bulb. So that way we just took it apart. Then you would go ahead and put in your new bulb, noting the numbers you need. So this is an H16, the numbers you need according to your manufacturer. And we just put it in, line up the tabs, twist it back like that, and you're going to go ahead and make that connector connect. Okay. Now we're going to go back in the same, we've pushed this connector back together, heard it click. The same manner, we're going to push this back in, and we're going to put our 3 screws back in. Like I said, as to note, we don't want to touch this top one here. That is the beam adjustment of where it is positioned on the road. So we don't touch those, but we touch this, this, and that screw back here. Just make them nice and snug. And then we would go ahead and take this piece, line up your tabs, and then just snap it back into place. And that is how you replace your fog light on your 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander.